Vapors are here, dude. Yeah.
Fuck you guys. Holy shit.
Oh, fucker.
Good one, dude. Oh.
Release this guy. Yeah. But I'm trying to record him in the water. I hope I don't fucking lose my. Just got another one, little baby bass. Little tiny guy. Yeah, my bait's almost as big as him. Alright. Next to the video. Oh yeah. Nice fucking patina right there. Oh yeah. Oh shit, I got one. Shit. Oh, I didn't even catch it in the mouth, dude. I caught it in the stomach. Yeah, fuck, I'm so sorry, guy.
What the fuck?
Oh shit. That's illegal in fucking Alaska. Oh, poor guy. Oh, I'm so sorry. I feel bad now. Oh. Sorry, guy. Alright, he survived. Excitement. Let's see if it has a fish. Yeah, that's a nice sized fish. Yeah. See, the fucking lizard never goes wrong, boy. Another one here. Oh shit, he's hella bleeding. Alright, this one's gonna go. Go on. What? Look at this puppy. Oh yeah. I lost count. Oh fuck yeah. Brush hog. You guys see this? Oh yeah. Next. What are you guys making on the cooking channel today? Can you guys please specify?
You're making biscuits?
Wait, I thought you were making fun of Sandra. Oh, wait, not Sandra. That was your friend. She got the same cup as you. Julian, how many times did you do cocaine?
2 times.
That's on video. Who are your parents? Are their names?
Their name is Little Wayne, and the other one is Miley Cyrus.
What? Little Wayne and Miley Cyrus? Wait. That deserves a high five. That creativity is amazing. High five. Good creativity. Look at Roxy. She cried. I'm sorry, Mama. Come here. No, I'm sorry I stepped on you.
Poor Roxy, you should get away.
Alright, I'm going to interview you. How old are you? Oh, first of all, what's your name, son? Can you tell me your name, please? Don't look at me. Look into the camera.
Blake.
Blake what?
Blake Shelton.
Isn't he a rapper from the East
No,
Coast?
he's an Okie man.
He's not a rapper from the East Coast?
No.
Why not? Where's he from?
Canada. I mean, Canada. I don't know.
Canada?
He's from National.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
The National?
My mom said that.
Your mom said National?
National.
Just please explain little Wayne Jr.'s mom. Real mom.